We're a big restoration shop. That's what we're known for. We specialize in exotic work. I joined the chamber because I'm a big supporter of the community that I'm a part of. It's very important that you're working together because we all have the same interest, meaning I want to support what I'm doing in the community, and I want to make sure that the community is aware of my businesses and that I live here too. I live in Belmarin Keys. I've lived here for the last 15 years, but it's a great location in regards to what I'm doing. And to have two buildings together in one spot, I actually have three, one around the block, but it's very convenient for what we're doing with the one-stop shop. I've put together the best mechanics in the Bay Area. There's nothing like this anywhere in the United States that I'm aware of, where you can come in and have all these different things done to your car that are a high-end level. In regards to my customers, they're all my friends too, so they can trust me and they know that they're going to get what they're looking for because I think the same way they do. It's really what it's all about. So meaning where I live is where I work, and you know, it's important to me. And you know, I live in God's country is the bottom line as far as I'm concerned, and Nevada's a part of that. So it's a big part of it. I love living here.